In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MetaTrader 5 for FTMO Trading Challenges. Before you start, have your FTMO MetaTrader 5 login ready, your login ID, your password, and the correct server name. Keep these details private and double-check that they match the credentials provided by FTMO. Open MetaTrader 5. At the top, go to File, then select Login to Trade Account. In the login window, enter your FTMO account ID, your password, and choose the exact server specified by FTMO. Click Login. Look to the bottom right corner of the platform to confirm a stable connection. You should see consistent data ticks and no connection errors. If it's red or fluctuating, verify your internet and the server selection. Next, load the instruments you plan to trade. Open the Market Watch panel, right-click the symbol you want, and choose Chart Window to bring up a new chart. If you need technical tools, go to Insert, then Indicators, and add what fits your strategy. Keep charts clean and purposeful so you can read price action quickly. To speed up order execution, enable one-click trading. Go to Tools, Options, then the Trade tab, and check one-click trading. Accept the disclaimer. This allows faster entries, but always confirm your parameters before placing any order. Pause and review the FTMO rules. Maximum daily loss, maximum overall loss, the profit target, and the minimum trading days. Write them down where you can see them. These rules define how you manage risk and pace your trades during the challenge. When you're ready to place a trade, press F9 to open the order window. Set your lot size, define your stop loss, and set your take profit according to your plan. Keep risk low, generally around 0.5% to 1% per trade. Choose buy by market or sell by market to execute. Your lot size should reflect your stop distance and target risk so you stay within FTMO's limits. Monitor your positions and risk in the toolbox under the Trade tab. Keep an eye on your equity, margin, and floating profit or loss. If equity approaches your daily loss threshold, step back and protect your account. Discipline here is crucial. Avoid rule violations by not overtrading, steering clear of revenge trading, and tracking your daily drawdown throughout the session. Consistency beats intensity in these challenges. To review completed trades, open the toolbox and switch to the History tab. Study entries, exits, and outcomes to refine your approach. Optionally, consider using a VPS if you run expert advisors or need MT5 active around the clock for trade management. It helps maintain continuity and reduces downtime.